Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can mark tasks as pending in the HabitNow app. So let us begin. Launch the HabitNow app, and what you want to do is either navigate to today in the bottom left corner to see what type of tasks, be it single or recurrent tasks, are given or scheduled for the given day here in the calendar. And let's say, for example, today is October 7th. So what you want to do is go through that list of tasks for the given day and hold your finger for a brief moment on the given task. So let me go with this one here, upload video. Hold your finger for a brief moment on it. That is going to open that menu here. So here you may label it as done here to the right, or label it as pending. There you go, for example. Or you may, for instance, tap on it again for a brief moment and select done. That is going to give a check mark like this. But again, guys, if you'd like to mark it as pending, tap into it and select pending. Let me repeat it really quickly. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.